Hello and welcome to Paythepoolman. Today we're going to walk through how to add customers to per stop billing. So first thing we'll do is click settings, and we see here at the top we have some different options. We see here it says activate billing per stop for specific customers. We can go ahead and toggle that on and click OK. And now we're going to have the option to bill customers per stop. So we can click run billing and take a look at what this is going to do to your run billing page. Now we have a line that says per stop billing. You can do it by the month or by the date range. That's totally up to you. You just click which one you want and fill out the information. Let's take a look at a customer and how we would add them onto per stop billing. So here we'll go to the customer's auto bill settings and we'll click edit, and we are going to change their option here. So we toggle this on, and now this is going to be per stop, which means every time we log a service in the Plus app, this customer will have a billing created. And then when you go to run that billing, you're either choosing by the month or by the date range, and it's going to pull in those logs with dates listed on the bill for the customer's reference. So here we'll obviously want to change this to something more reasonable. Maybe we do 30, maybe we do 40, maybe we even do 50. You put in whatever price you're charging per that stop. So make sure you're not still including the monthly charge, because if it's a monthly charge here, that is going to charge that customer $120, $250, whatever you're putting down each time you're stopping at that pool. So make sure this is your per stop charge here. So then we'll go ahead and save those changes, and we are good to go. So every time we log a service for this customer, we will be billing them for that. So when we run our billing, we just select by the month, and we can put in the date range. If we just click any, it's going to grab August, or we can do by a specific range. If you do maybe bill halfway, or maybe you're billing for a little bit of the previous month or next month, whatever it is, you can select that there. And then we can also see this in one more spot. So if we click here in our customer list, we can see per stop billing on for this customer here, and it can let us know at a quick glance, like we can see our per weeks and our chemical auto charges here as well, kind of what's going on with this customer. You can also add a customer to per stop as you're creating them in your system or importing them. So that's going to be down here in the billing section of add customer. And when we click this on, we will just fill out the information, primary, email, and then we can select our item, our price, and down here we're going to have our advanced options. So if we want to bill this customer per stop, we just toggle this on and then save that, and the customer would be billed per stop when we run our monthly auto billing. So if you have any questions about that, please let us know. We'd be happy to help, and we hope this helps. Okay, thank you.